Good morning everyone. My name is Shubham Sharma and I am working as an assistant professor in Rama University, Kanpur, Mandana. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on angle of repose. So let's start. Object. To determine angle of repose of given powder sample, you can take any sample whatever you want. Then we are going to find out the requirements for the practical. We want funnel, stand, graph paper, scale, spatula and sample. These are the basic requirement to perform this practical. So how it is start and how we are going to perform. Let's discuss the procedure. Fix the funnel vertically on a stand. As you can see, this is the stand and this is the funnel. Maintain a height about 2 to 3 centimeter between the funnel tip and surface. That means this is the funnel tip and this is the surface. You have to maintain the 2 to 3 centimeter distance between funnel tip and the base. After that, allow powder to flow slowly through the funnel. Whatever you sample are going to perform, you have to put the sample into the funnel and allow it to pass. Then it is dropped on the base and create a pile. After dropping the powder, next step, measure the height h and diameter d. When you follow the powder on the base, after that you get a pile. This is the pile and we have to measure the height h and diameter d of this pile. After that, find out the ratio from the diameter. So we are going to find the radius from the diameter. How? For this we are using the formula R is equal to d by 2. After that, now find out the angle of repose by using formula. When we get h and r both, then we use formula tan theta is equal to h upon r. This is the formula of angle of repose, where h is equal to height of pile and r is equal to radius of circle. I am showing just like you draw a circle by a pencil, you can get diameter d and half of the d is radius, and a pile is also you get, and that was your h. We have to find out these two values to calculate the angle of repose. Now we get these two values. I am going to put the value into the formula. So let's see the calculation very carefully. H is equal to 2 centimeter, which is fixed. D is equal to d by 2, that is performed to find out the r value. We repeat the procedure 4 times. That's why I have written d1, d2, d3, d4. After that, we are going to find out average radius. How we can find out the average radius? For every radius, we put the value of r1, r2, r3, r4 and divide by 4 and get the value. This is 3.8 centimeter. After getting the value of r, we move to main formula, which is tan theta is equal to h upon r. Theta comes here and tan inverse h upon r is main working formula for us. So remaining calculation I am doing here, just like tan theta is equal to tan inverse h upon r. Tan theta inverse, now we putting the value just like h 2 centimeter, r is equal to 3.8 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter. Theta is equal to tan inverse. After calculating these, we get the value 0.50251. Then we calculate the tan inverse value and we get the theta value 26.67 degree. After getting the value of theta, we match with a table where we know the nature of our powder, like 25 to 30 range is for excellent, 31 to 35 range is for good, 36 to 40 range for fair, 41 to 45 for possible, 46 to 55 for poor, 55 to 65 for very poor. So in whole this experiment which was already performed and the data is already given, we put the value in the formula and we get the final value of theta is 26.67 degree. So now we are going to match where it is stand. It is stand between 25 to 30. That is, the powder we was taken in the particle, the flow was excellent, and this is performed because of we check the flow of powder. So a little trick I am written here: lower angle for good flow, higher angle for poor flow. As you can see in the table, lower angle, that is 25 to 30, 31 to 35, it is good. But whenever the angle is going to increase, just like 36 to 40, 41 to 45, 46 to 55, 55 to 65, the flow is going to disturb and it become poor and poor. So whenever you going to manufacturing, whenever you going to produce any type of formulation, you have to know what is the angle of repose of your powder, because it is a very essential and important step during manufacturing. Without this step, you cannot perform a proper experiment, a proper manufacturing. So it is whole practical written in front of you, all with all detail, calculation, formula, diagram, step-by-step procedure, requirements, and each and every details. So next time we will come with a different practical, and thank you so much.